Okay, which brings me to problem number 28. And so before we go, and so here is my book. और आप इसको ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं from Narosa's website. And I'm pretty sure that you will find it very helpful. In fact, इस साल की भी कुछ IOQM की problems ऐसी थी जो अगर आप करके जाते तो you'd be finding this book very helpful. So question number 20, in fact 28 जैसे एक problem है इसमें. And to be fair, I don't remember कि मैंने ऐसी problems ये वाली problem 28 कहाँ solve की है, but पटना में या कहीं ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आ चुकी है. सो प्रॉब्लम सेज दैट कि कुछ 1 लेस देन a लेस देन b लेस देन c ऐसे कुछ दे रखा है 50. अब बोला है कि दैट LCM ऑफ AC एंड LCM ऑफ BC अपॉन a प्लस b, और ये कुछ 26c/7 है. इमीडिएटली मतलब आई कुड रिकॉल, बिकॉज मैंने ऐसी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रखी है, आई कुड रिकॉल कि दैट यहाँ पे आप सिंपली GCD में इसको ले आते हैं इस प्रॉब्लम को कन्वर्ट करके एक्चुअली. तो मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ कि मैं GCD ऑफ A और D, इस A और C को मैं कुछ D लेने वाला हूँ, और GCD ऑफ B और C इसको मैं कुछ ले लेता हूँ E. तो जो मेरे पास A है वो कुछ ऐसा आ जाएगा D इंटू A डैश, और जो मेरे पास B है वो आ जाएगा E इंटू B डैश, समथिंग लाइक दैट. और आप समझ रहे कि दैट A डैश और जो C/D है उसका GCD 1 होगा for obvious reasons, and similarly B dash and C/E का GCD 1 होगा. ऐसा मैंने क्यों किया? Because again, I refer back to the Putnam problem. So I'm going to simply say that LCM into GCD of two numbers is equal to their product. तो मैं इसको simply ऐसा लिखने वाला हूँ कि that AC upon D plus BC upon D dash upon A plus B, and that's equal to 26C upon 27. Okay. अब I'm not going to walk you through all the calculations. आप इसको simplify कर लीजिए, and I'm just going to write down what I have written कि क्या आ जाता है. Fundamentally, you will get this 26D A dash plus 26B dash, and that's 0. And since A dash B dash are positive, it tells you that ये जो 27 minus 26D है and 27 minus 26E है, ये opposite signs के होंगे. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to bash this problem. Bash करने वाले इस problem को है. अगर D greater than 1 है और E equal to 1 है, so you get 2,25 and 4,50. and analogously अगर D 1 हो गया और E greater than 1 हो गया तो आपके पास ऐसा कुछ आ जाएगा कि that 25,2 and 50,4, and no solution for D greater than 1 and E greater than 1. Now the question here is that again I'm going to argue that जब आपका ये 2 है का मतलब क्या हो गया आपके पास? GCD of A and D की वैल्यू जब 2 आ जाएगी आपके पास, तो वो कब होगा? जब well that's even, मतलब C की वैल्यू even होनी चाहिए, but at the same time C shouldn't be divisible by 5, because for obvious, depending on the stipulations of the question, तो 5 से divisible होना नहीं चाहिए. तो ideally even 1 से 50 के बीच में 25 होने चाहिए, but 5 से divisible numbers अगर आप हटा देंगे तो you'll get 20. So you'll get 20 from here and you'll get 20 from here, and the total answer is going to be 40. And which brings me to the last problem. And last problem says that 29 I'm going to skip. I don't have any other nice solution for 29. That root x minus root x plus a equal है root a minus y के. अगर ऐसा है, so what do you get? So well, I'm not going to apply much brains. I'm just going to bash this problem. So please square. आप बस इसका square कर दीजिए and you'll get something. So I'm just going to recall from what I have done. So the couple of things which I did was that I just squared it somewhere, and yeah. So आप अगर इसका square कर देंगे तो you'll get to the point where you get this x minus root under x plus a square plus y square minus 2y root under a. अच्छा देखो, like now it becomes simple. So think about it. अगर ऐसा हुआ कि you're going to say that this is irrational, है ना? You can see that this is integer, so this must be irrational, and therefore these quantities must be the same, right? So this should be equal to 2y root a. और अगर आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो विल गेट ए वाई अपॉन 2 into 2y square minus 1. Integer here, denominator will be far too greater than the numerator, as you can see. हाँ, so only y equal is y equal to 0 भी काम नहीं करने वाला. So y equal to 0 पे ये 0 आ जाएगा, fine, but perfect squares is not allowed. A perfect square is not allowed. तो अगर आप y को 0 पुट करेंगे ना, तो you will see that if you were to put y as 0, so this is 0. And then you'll see that this, so this is 0. Y अगर 0 पुट करेंगे तो ये क्वांटिटी 0 आ जाती है. That 0 मतलब x और a दोनों 0 हो जाएंगे. A0 means a being a perfect square, that's not allowed. So हम ये नहीं करने वाले. So the other case is going to be when this is an integer. Yeah. So when this is an integer, all that you have to do is that root x plus a को आप n ले लीजिएगा, and that gives you that x plus a is equal to n square. And तो x जो आ जाएगा वो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, n square minus n की फॉर्म का आ जाएगा. And x plus a is equal to n square. And put back in that original equation, आप उसमें उसको original equation में put कर देंगे, and you'll get n square minus n is equal to 2a plus y square minus 2y root a. Obviously y has to be 0 because a is not a perfect square. So you get that a is equal to n square minus n by 2. Highest number आपको चाहिए, which is sum of natural numbers, so that's going to be 91. Right, that's that. So that's about it. Okay, right. So I think that this is the appropriate time where I should say that you can buy my book at Narusa's website, The Olympiad Companion, and I'm pretty sure that it will be very helpful for your Olympiad preparation. In fact, अगर आप इसको पढ़ के जाते तो आप देखते कि बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी थी जो आप इसमें से नंबर थ्योरी एंड कॉम्बिनेटोरिक्स की जो कुछ सिमिलर होती. And that's not because I have done something extraordinary, but it's just because the trend of examination is such, and I've tried to capture the trend in this book, right? Okay, then, bye. Good luck for RMO.